What's up, guys? Welcome to the JFS channel. I'm super surprised to have you guys here today. So today we'll be looking at for the strategy right here. So today we're going through the strategy that you are seeing on my screen right now. And the strategy was able to make me $4,000 plus with just trading the crash index, which is sell. So this strategy is the most useful part of the strategy. Is that this strategy is used on both for scalping and then for catching spike. So if you are new here to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on your post notification. Enter your posting strategy, you guys will be aware. Also, guys, we do something we offer account management. So no matter how small or big your account, your MTY balance is, just contact us for account management and we will be able to assist you out, trade on your account, make profits, and then we share the profits. We actually have our terms for account management, so when you contact us, then you are going to be sending you the terms, and then if you agree with the terms, then we are going to proceed with your account being managed. So with that being said, let's quickly dive into today's strategy right here. So this strategy right here, which you are seeing on my chart now, first thing I want to do is just show you guys the settings for the strategy. Now let me delete everything up, so we are going to start from scratch now. So to add your indicator, you just need to click on this icon right here. So I click on that icon, then click on the F plus. So upon clicking on the F plus, then you want to find your moving average, which you can see right here. We have our moving average. Click on it. Now this is the parameters for the moving average. The period is 7, sheet 0. The method is simple. Apply to close and tie. I'm going to be using the red color. So when you set this top like this, choose any color of your choice, set it top, and then click on done, and you are good to go. So you are going to see the moving average right in your chart. Now the next indicator we are going to be adding is also going to be in our main chart. Just click on the F plus and search for the moving average again. And the second moving average is going to be the period of 17. The shift is 0. The method is simple. Apply to close and style. I'm going to be using the blue color, so you can choose any color of your desire. So when I set it up like this, then click on done, and then we are good to go. So the last on the list indicator we are going to be adding, so click on the F plus to find your MACD. This is the MACD right here. Then click on it, and this is the parameters for the MACD. The fast EMA is 12, the slow EMA is 26, and the MACD SMA is 9. Apply to close and start. I'm going to be using the blue and black color, so you can choose any color of your choice. Also, when you set it up like this, then click on done, and then you are good to go. Now, before I proceed showing you guys how you can make use of the strategy, I need to first show you guys the zoom level for the strategy. Now, for the zoom level of this strategy, when you zoom out completely, you just need to zoom in once. So when you zoom in once, then you are good to go. You just not need to make sure that you are seeing the candle very well like this. So you just need to make sure you see the candle just little. You see the candle, you just zoom out once, then you are good to go with the strategy. Now I'm on 15-minute time frame, because I use this 15-minute time frame to take my trade, which I take this trade right. That's this area right here. That's where I took my trade, and then then I'm being run into mass profit, which you can see right here. This is a $4,300 profit being made. Now let me now show you guys how you can make use of the strategy right here. You can make use of the strategy to take trade, but like we see, most of people love scalping than holding trades. So I'll be using the scalping method to teach you guys how you can make use of the strategy. And when you understand how you can use the strategy to scalp, then it will be a lot more easier for you to understand how you can use strategy to swing trades. Okay, so now I'll be switching to my 5-minute time from this, where this way I'm going to teach you guys how you can make use of the strategy. This way I'm going to teach you guys how you can make use of strategy. First thing I want to teach you guys is how you can make strategy to catch some candles and then you are out of the market. You catch some candles and then you are out. So that is what I'll be teaching you guys first. So now some of you might be, if you use the zoom in on due to the zoom 1, you might not be seeing the candle very well, but you can also use the zoom 2, which you can see we have it right here. You can use the zoom 2 of this for this strategy right here. So now let's proceed. Now this is what we are expecting before we take any entries with this strategy. This is what we are expecting right here. Now let me use this area as an example for you guys. Now this is our expectation right here. Now our expectation, first we need to see this right here. Now what do we need to see? Now first thing we want to see is crossovers needs to happen, which means that the red moving average need to cross above the blue moving average. Crossing above it, then the price follows, which means that the price, upon the red moving average crossing, the price also follows you, means that the price will also cross above the two moving average. So when you see that confirmation, you want to look into your main chart. You want to look into your one indicator. Now look at the MACD. Look at the MACD line right here. What does the MACD line does? The MACD line crossing above the volume, crossing above this volume right here. And the line crossing above the volume right here, this shows that the price is going for a buy. It shows that the price is going for a buy. It's going for a move right there. So when you see all that criteria has been made, then the confirmation you need to wait for before taking any increase is wait for a candle close. You can see this is the candle that close above the price right here. When this candle close, then you enter for a position. This is small loss right here, and then you can see how crazy this market moves to the top side right here. So that is one example. So for a sell, this is what you need to see right here. If you're expecting to go for a sell, make sure you look for a clean stop. Now remember something. Now for a buy, you need to see the MACD volume at the downside, which means that the MACD volume need to be at the overbought levels, which means that to be at the overbought level. And for a sell, you need to see this MACD be at the oversold levels. You can see being at the overbought and the oversold levels. Now let's say you want to go for a sell right here. You want to go for a sell move. Now this sell is simple and straightforward. First, you need to see crossbars happens. When you see crossbar happens, the red line is crossed below the blue moving average and the price follows. When the price follows, then you are expecting to see that in the indicator window 1 to see this crossover happens. When the crossover happens, then you have seen all your confirmations. So all you need now is the entry models. Now for your entry models, then this is what you need to see before you open any position. Now what you need to see right here is that you want to see the price, the rejecting path to the black moving average. You see the price moving back to the moving average. That is when you want to go for a sell. Don't just enter when you see this confirmation right here. Wait for a price to move back to at least the red or the blue moving average. When you move back there, then that's when you want to jump into your positions. And then you catch your spike. Now let me use another one as an example. So maybe I will use boom. So let me use the boom 1000 as an example right here. So now let's see I'm looking for a clean setup. Now let's see, we want to go for a sell right here. I'm going to go for a sell. Now you can see we have this right here. We have this crossbar happens right here, and the price also rejecting back with indicator cross and the price follows. When you see that, then look into our indicator window one. When I see crossover happens at the MACD. When the crossover happens, then you want to wait for a candle close. Upon the candle close right here, that is when we want to jump into operations, and then we catch our candles. Now for a sell trade right here, this is what we need to see. Now going for a buy is what we need to see. Firstly, wait for a crossover happens. When this price that cross over the moving average, and the moving average red line crossing above the blue moving average. When you see a crossover happens, wait for it. Check your indicator on the one, and you can see we have crossovers again right at this MACD levels. And then the next thing you want to wait for is just wait for the price rejecting back to the blue or the red moving average. When the price rejects back there, then you jump into your position, and then you will catch your spike and make your money. As simple as that, guys. So I hope you guys find this video helpful. I don't want this video to be long, so you can see this is a $5,000 plus profit being running from a $500 account. Now you can see this is not a joke strategy. So I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on and push notification. Anytime we post this strategy, you guys will be aware. Thank you guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye.